Okay, our next topic is the reserpine chemical compound. Now we are studying the plants as a sources for drugs, and the very first drug we have studied is the artemisinin, right? Then afterwards we have understood about the second drug, which is called as the Taxol. Then the third drug we have discussed is called as the atropine. Okay, and now we are going for the fourth drug, which is called as the reserpine. So in and all, we are going to consider the five drugs which are naturally coming from the plants. Okay, so that in the UPSC maths you should have proper and the sufficient amount of material to write down your answer. Okay, so consider this is your syllabus. We are dealing with the paper number 1 and the chapter number 4, that is plant resource development. Okay, and we are here plants as the sources of drugs. Okay, now when we talk about the reserpine, see, reserpine, this is the chemical compound which is naturally coming from the plant, and hence we are calling it as a phytochemical. Okay, now this first thing you should remember about the reserpine is that from which plant it is coming. Okay, you should know the source of the plant, source of this particular chemical compound. That is the name of the plant to which this particular chemical compound belongs. The name of the plant is the Rauwolfia. Carefully write down the botanical name. It's called Rauwolfia serpentina. Okay, Rauwolfia serpentina. This is the name of this particular chemical compound. Sorry, this is the plant to which this particular chemical compound belongs. Okay, and plant part, again, this plant part is very important from the UPSC mains examination point of view. So here, from the root portion of this particular plant, this reserpine can be extracted. Okay, and this particular plant belongs to the plant family which is called as the Apocynaceae. Okay, carefully write down the family name as well, because all of these three portions, botanical name, the from the plant part it is extracted, and the name of the family, it all holds an importance in the UPSC mains examination, and we know it from our previous year question papers, right? So this particular reserpine chemical compound, it is extracted from the Rauwolfia serpentina's root, which is commonly called as Indian snakewood. Okay, and it belongs to the Apocynaceae family. Now, this chemical compound also a secondary metabolite. Okay, it's not a primary metabolite; it's an secondary metabolite. And to be very specific, this is an alkaloid. Okay, it belongs to the class of secondary metabolite, which is called as the alkaloid. And in the subclass, it is called as the indole alkaloid. Okay, carefully remember, this particular reserpine is nothing but an alkaloid, and specifically, it is an indole alkaloid. Now comes to the main part, what the medicinal importance does this particular chemical compound holds. The very first use or the famous use of this particular chemical compound is in the treatment of high blood pressure. Okay, this reserpine is used in the treatment of high blood pressure. Actually, this helps in lowering the blood pressure, and it acts as a vasodilator. Okay, so the main activity of this particular chemical compound in the human body, that it acts as a vasodilator, and in turn it reduces the high blood pressure, and that is why it is famously called as this chemical compound is having the anti-hypertensive activity. Okay, which activity? It is called as the anti-hypertensive activity. Okay, whenever there is a high blood pressure, if you take a tablet which contains the reserpine, it will really reduce your blood pressure, and hence it acts as a anti-hypertensive. Hence it shows the anti-hypertensive activities. Okay, so reserpine, it's a fourth chemical compound we are discussing from the plants, which is the natural phytochemical. It is coming from the Rauwolfia serpentina plant. And which part of it? It's root, and it belongs to the Apocynaceae family. It's a secondary metabolite. Specifically, it's an indole alkaloid, and it is very useful in high blood pressure treatment. That is, it acts as a vasodilator, and it has the anti-hypertensive activity. Okay, so from the UPSC mains examination point of view, it is important to note all this point and specifically mention if there is a question in the future for this on this particular topic. All right.